Cabinet is doing a good job.
Yeah, it sounds good, no?
Yeah.
Way louder. You can't turn them down.
Said you can be a little less than that. Pick a little, just a boom tempo. That's what I'm trying to shoot.
Not gonna be in time. I can't see.
Find
in time. I can give you right. Okay, in time.
I was just making a suggestion that maybe if you were tick, 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 tick with your left hand, it wouldn't throw you off. Because it throws me off when I try to crisscross like this. I've tried it before. And it throws me off when I go tick, tick, tick over here. I just wanted you to try it, that's all, man.
You want to hit it on a one.
See if it makes it easier for you.
Somebody do something.